second question is data science skills, and the question says we have been given a table of candidates and the skills. You are tasked with finding the candidates best suited for an open data science job. You want to find the candidates who are proficient in Python, Tableau, and PostgreSQL. Write a query to list the candidates who possess all the required skills for the job. Sort the output by candidate ID in the ascending order. Okay, so for example, we have this candidates table, and in this, the output should be 123 ID of the candidate, because only 123 candidate is there with the 123 ID, which has all the skills which are proficient in Python, Tableau, and PostgreSQL. All of the three, then that candidate should be selected. So the answer we can write it as, we have to, we'll go on to the smaller problem first. Or what we can do is that we can assign a number to each of them. Like for example, we will assign the candidate ID, and we will use a case statement. Case when skill equals Python, we will assign 1. When skill equals Tableau, then also we will assign 1. When skill equals PostgreSQL, then also we will assign 1, else we will assign 0. And we will end as, you can say skill, and then from the table name is candidates. Let's see what this outputs. This should output 1 where the Python, Tableau, or PostgreSQL is there. Now what we can do is that we can group by the candidate ID and get the sum of the skills. If the sum of the skills is equals to 3, we are getting Python, Tableau, and PostgreSQL, all the skills in that candidate, then that candidate ID is the one which we have to select. So for example, let's say this subtable as, or the subquery as, S. This is S. Now select from, or select, you can say candidate ID, and sum of, you can say skill as skill from, this query as this, where s dot skill. If we select this first, what's the output? Let's see. Okay, so let's say this is as S, and this is S dot. Why it is changing like that? Okay. Here we are getting the problem. Subquery in from must have an alias. Is it talking about this skill? Column s dot must appear in the group by clause. Group by s dot candidate ID. Now it should output. Now it is correct, and now we have to select 123 because only that candidate has the skills required. Select s1 dot candidate ID from just as s1, where s1 dot skill is greater than 3, or you can say equals 3. Now we also have to, because it was written there, like we have to sort the output by the candidate ID, so we will be sorting it out order by s1.candidate ID. Now this should return the correct answer. If we submit it, it should be accepted. Yeah, it got accepted. Thank you.